We don't sell the job. We sell the experience. We're selling Houzz Pro to our clients, and that's blowing them away.
And what we found is when we put the effort into that, blow them away with a design by providing that much value and like content and quality so fast and such high level, it's a no-brainer to go with us. The younger generation coming up they're impatient. They want things right away. They want a quick turnaround. So that's where we're trying to evolve our business, is how can we utilize AI to get people everything that they want as soon as possible, but it still needs to be at that high quality and detail. With speed, you don't want to give up any of that quality, but that's what we're trying to utilize AI and all these features to really be the quickest turnaround, the quickest information estimates back, the quickest responses, but to that quality that we're unmatched by all of our competitors.
Once you go all in, everything is systemized and automated.
The amount of line items that the AI pulls for simply talking into explaining your job, the amount of line items they provide you is incredible. Stuff that I probably, if I was organically doing it myself, probably would never think to add that line item. AI has created 6 to 8 more line items, which if you're receiving an estimate, it looks better.
Boom, you have a $400,000 full home remodel estimate that you're presenting to the clients.
Ever since that, we have seen tremendous growth and just overall organization from the owner level all the way down to every single one of our workers, our subcontractors, and even our outside vendors.
This is how we're communicating. It's all through Houzz Pro. It just kind of like sets the tone initially, so you're not having those late night group chats.
And that's a part of our sales pitch. Like along with 3D design, we're like, oh, we have a whole client dashboard. Everything's to be collected in here, easily accessible. You can see everything from this to this to this. We show on past clients' dashboards and they're like, oh, wow, that's great.
Giving the client right at the beginning the most amount of information is just so beneficial.
You know, the clients have it on their dashboard. We have it on our end. All of our team members can see it and they find it quickly. So there's no questions or like repurchasing of items or I thought I said this mirror, but we said that. It just saves a lot of errors, holds people accountable to like what they say. No, you approved that, here's your notes. And you know, it really helps us just all stay organized and just eliminating any waste as we're going through the process.
At the end of the day, we have a very thoughtful video that's not only going to our clients, but it's also coming to me. What a good decision that was to go all in with that.